Hello students, today we are going to introduce the technique of calculus called integration. And integration is the reverse of differentiation, and it simply means integration means to sum up or to add together, right? So if we have, let's say, a function fx on the y-axis, and on the x-axis we have x, and suppose we need the area between a and b. So a is called the lower limit and b is called the upper limit, and we need this area, right? Now this is not any recognizable shape like triangle or trapezium. This is actually a continuous curve under which you need to find out the area. So if we divide the area into small parts, what we are actually doing is we are calculating the area of each small part and adding up together, right? So that is why the meaning to sum up, right? So to sum up, I am going to tell you the techniques of integration. I am not going into the detail of integration and how this formula came up, right? Those things you will study in maths, right? And as far as physics is concerned, you should know the result at this point of time, especially for those who have no maths. They must understand how to operate integration, right? How to use integration into their physics problems. So let me start with the two types of integration. One is called definite integral and the other is called indefinite integral, right? So let's take the first example, definite integral. So the sign of integration is this. This is known as the sign of integration, and this is dx, and whatever function we need to integrate, that has to be put here, fx. So this is the function that is being integrated. We call it integrand, the function that we need to integrate. And this x is called variable of integration, with respect to which we are actually integrating. And we know that a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit. So we put the limit a lower limit and upper limit. Now this is known as definite integral, right? And in indefinite integral, the only difference is that we don't have limits a and b. So in indefinite integral, we just have fx dx, and we will see that whenever we evaluate an indefinite integral, we actually have a constant of integration. This constant can be determined with some methods that you will study later, right? So this is called indefinite integral. Now in the next lecture, we are going to evaluate definite as well as indefinite integral. Thank you.